My name is Benjamin Lilly. I am a photojournalist. I spent the last 15 years covering war zones, and now I kind of do everything except for pornography. And I will be in India for the Photo Fest. My main goal for helping students is to help people develop their creativity, how to free their minds and learn how to articulate what they're seeing in front of them and present it in new and interesting ways. We can't keep on making photographs of the same things in the same way that people have done before. We have to find new ways to talk to our audience, new ways to represent ideas, and that is what I hope to achieve when I go to workshops and interact with students. And I will be at the Indian Photography Festival in Hyderabad in October, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all there.
Hi, my name is Balan Madhavan. I am a senior fellow with the International League of Conservation Photographers. I was quite excited to know about the India Photography Festival which is going to happen in Hyderabad. Definitely I am going to be there, and I hope you guys are also going to be with me. Okay, see you soon. Bye.
Hi, I am Ashok Kandiwala. I am a photographer and currently the president of Telangana Photographic Society. We are happy to be associated with the Indian Photo Festival happening in Hyderabad. This is going to be a great place for the photographers to interact and enrich themselves. I invite all of you to come and participate in this and make it a big success. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Daniel Schumann, a portrait photographer from Germany. I'm happy to be living my dream. My work has rewarded me by taking me all around the world and has given me the opportunity to meet amazing people. I have learned that cultural exchange is very important in order to grow as an artist. And I look forward to show my work at the Indian Photography Festival in Hyderabad. Come and join the festival. Be inspired, be enriched.
My name is John Isaac, and I've been a photographer for the last 45 years. I worked for the United Nations as a photojournalist, and I covered many of the wars, refugees, problems, and events. After my retirement, I started photographing nature and wildlife. I'm very excited that I'm invited to be at the Indian Festival of Photography in Hyderabad, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all. See you there.
Namaste, this is Bharat Bhushan. I'm a photojournalist. I have been documenting rural Telangana for the last 30 years. I am excited about the Indian Photography Festival happening in Hyderabad October 1st to 10th. Great opportunity for all the photographers from Telangana. I invite and request you to...
I am Vishwendra Reddy, Honorary Treasurer, AP State Academy of Photography and Founder Secretary of the Photo Circle Hyderabad. What an occasion, what a great occasion when these organizers are making such an event called Indian Photography Festival Hyderabad in Hyderabad. These kind of festivals in photography are going to make the photo lovers, students, practicing photographers and as well as public aware of new trends in photography. These festivals will help you to meet the experts, which otherwise very difficult. Personally, you can meet them, talk to them, listen to them, and then see their works, portfolios, everything. That will make you so rich, and then that will also give you an entire different perspective in photography than what you are practicing now. 1st October to 10th October, please come, let's enjoy. Let's all enjoy. Let's all and see what is art in photography. Good day.
I am Ravindra Reddy from Hyderabad. I am a photojournalist and I did a lot of successful assignments. Now in Hyderabad, the Indian Photographic Festival is going to commence from October 1st to 10th. It's a very nice thing is happening in Hyderabad. It's my request to all my fellow photographers and the artists, please participate in this festival. This is first of its kind. Participate in this festival that helps everybody.
This is Akram Matthews, the Festival
Festival Director for the Indian Photo Festival, which is happening in Hyderabad from 1st to 10th of October. We are pretty much excited about this festival because this is the first time a festival like this is happening in Hyderabad. This festival is all about celebrating the art of photography, especially the great works of photographers from India as well as from all around the world. We have a great lineup of exhibitions, artist talks, lectures, portfolio reviews, workshops and many more interesting events for all the 10 days of the festival. It's a great opportunity for the photography community as well as the emerging photographers to come and learn and listen to the great artists from the photographic field. I personally invite all of you to be a part of it and make it a huge success. Once again, I want to thank all the people who have supported us in bringing this initiative to Hyderabad. Thank you.